Hi guys and welcome back to the ACE Academy. In this video, we will be looking at sound waves. A sound wave is essentially a longitudinal wave, which means a disturbance is being applied parallel to the direction of propagation of the energy through any medium. So when it comes to sound waves, we know that it is a longitudinal wave. Now, a sound wave has certain properties, and these properties are best analyzed using our physical sense. So when it comes to sound, some of the key properties include the loudness of sound as well as the pitch of a sound that we hear. It can either be high pitched or low pitched. Now, when it comes to loudness of any type of sound, that is given by the amplitude of the wave, meaning the amount of energy that we supply to the wave is going to be an indication of how loud the sound is. When it comes to pitch, that is dependent on frequency, and frequency is the number of waves that pass a point in 1 second. For loudness, the higher the energy supplied, the louder it is. Hence, a high amplitude indicates a loud sound, and a low amplitude indicates a soft sound. When it comes to pitch, a high frequency indicates a higher pitch, and a low frequency indicates a lower pitch. Now, as sound is a type of longitudinal wave, it will of course share the same properties of longitudinal waves, mainly being it requires a medium to propagate, and it requires some sort of disturbance or energy. Now, due to the fact that sound requires some sort of medium to propagate, we could logically assume that the different types of mediums through which sound will propagate will have different effects on how the sound itself propagates. So let's look at that quickly. A medium is made up of some sort of matter, so we are going to look at the three states of matter that we work with, and that is solid, liquid, and gases. Now, in a solid, the wave speed will be the fastest, and that is because solids are rigid, which means the sound will travel at a much faster rate because the individual particles will want to return to their position much faster. Think of it as some sort of stubborn material, right? Liquids have a faster wave speed than gases and slower wave speed than solids, and gases are by far the slowest wave speed due to the fact that particles are moving independently of one another and the fact that gases have no fixed shape. Now, a special case of sound wave is something that we call ultrasound. Ultrasound is any type of sound wave that has a frequency between 20 kilohertz and 100 kilohertz. That means that if there are 20,000 individual waves passing through a single point in the medium in 1 second, that sound will be classified as ultrasound. It's that simple, guys. All the best, and I will see you in the next one.